This slide presentation addresses first grade Virginia Standard of Learning 1.2a. Group a collection of tens and ones and write the corresponding numeral. An understanding of number involves integrating several key concepts, such as unit, place value, and one-to-one correspondence. In understanding 1.2a, it is important that students use multiple models to develop initial understandings of place value and the base 10 number system. These models can include, but are not limited to, base 10 blocks, beans, sticks, and counters. The content of the mathematics standards is intended to support the following 5 goals for students: becoming mathematical problem solvers, communicating mathematically, reasoning mathematically, making mathematical connections, and using mathematical representations to model and interpret practical situations. With a focus on communication, connections, and representations within SOL 1.2a, students will be able to organize and consolidate their mathematical thinking through communication, communicate their mathematical thinking coherently and clearly to peers, teachers, and others, analyze and evaluate the mathematical thinking and strategies of others, use the language of mathematics to express mathematical ideas precisely, recognize and use connections among mathematical ideas, understand how mathematical ideas interconnect and build on one another to produce a coherent whole, recognize and apply mathematics in contexts outside of mathematics, create and use representations to organize, record, and communicate mathematical ideas, select, apply, and translate among mathematical representations to solve problems, use representations to model and interpret physical, social, and mathematical phenomena. The essential questions promote inquiry and higher-level thinking within SOL 1.2a. The guiding questions support the essential questions by linking multiple concepts and skills within the standards of learning. It is also important to address vocabulary deliberately in math class. The positive effects of vocabulary instruction on students' learning are well documented, and the ability to speak the language of mathematics is essential to understanding. Students need to acquire the knowledge about the ideas that the mathematical language describes, and then apply the specific vocabulary to that knowledge. The CRA sequence of instruction provides a graduated and conceptually supported framework for students to create a meaningful connection among concrete, representational, and abstract levels of understanding. Beginning with visual, tactile, and kinesthetic experiences to establish understanding, students expand their understanding through pictorial representations of concrete objects and move to the abstract level of understanding. Listed on this slide are a variety of professional books and literature to use for instruction of SOL 1.2a.